Let's explore the colourful world of vegetables and learn their names in English. Ready? Let's go. Spinach. Spinach. Kale. Kale. Lettuce. Lettuce. Cabbage. Cabbage. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Carrot. Carrot. Potato. Potato. Onion. Onion. Collard greens. Collard greens. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Leek. Leek. Swiss chard. Swiss chard. Corn. Corn. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Bok choy. Bok choy. Okra. Okra. Cucumber. Cucumber. Beetroot. Beetroot. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. Broccoli. Broccoli. Garlic. Garlic. Celery. Celery. Parsnip. Parsnip. Mustard greens. Mustard greens. Tomato. Tomato. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Green beans. Green beans. Zucchini. Zucchini. Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi. Peas. Peas. Cassava. Cassava. Spring onion. Spring onion. Asparagus. Asparagus. Radish. Radish. Butternut squash. Butternut squash. Fennel. Fennel. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. Taro. Taro. Turnip. Turnip. Eggplant. Eggplant. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Ginger. Ginger. Red cabbage. Red cabbage. Snake gourd. Snake gourd. Breadfruit. Breadfruit. Sponge gourd. Sponge gourd. Lotus root. Lotus root. Spiny gourd. Spiny gourd. Green chili. Green chili. Drumstick. Drumstick. Artichoke. Artichoke. Yard-long bean. Yard-long bean. Winged bean. Winged bean. Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage. Chayote. Chayote. Endive. Endive. Coriander leaves. Coriander leaves. Thanks for watching. Want to boost your vocabulary? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more fun learning. See you in the next one.